Home Department has issued an order notifying a joint enforcement and monitoring committee to check the use of the pyrotechnic devices, sparklers and other thing, and also to see whether fire NOC, fire extinguishers and other things are there available in the tourist establishments in the coastal belt. 2 teams have been constituted for South Goa district, 1 team comprising of or covering areas such as Salsette and Mormoko, another team covering areas such as Kankon and Kepe. The teams have already gone to the field for inspection. The teams are headed by senior timescale officers, and the team comprises of pullers, PI, then beat pullers, then we have put mamladas to assist them. We have people from PWD Civil Division, PWD Electrical Division also. So they are already there in the field to do the inspection. Today they are doing inspection in Kolba and in Kankon. And also apart from this, we have issued a 163 order banning the use of pyrotechnic devices, sparklers, smoke devices and all inside indoor premises, which are basically used for tourism and other things.